How to edit LinkedIn URL in mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open it on your Android. We can change the LinkedIn URL. Click on the me icon, that is profile at the top. Now you can see here view profile. Click on it and you can see there is a pencil mark here. Just you have to click on editing here, move before below, and before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see there is a edit contact info. Just you have to click on it. You can see profile URL. Just you have to click on it and edit your profile URL, edit contents and change your profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.